We are on the home page, as we always start on, and down here it says set up a vanity domain. So what is a vanity domain? I'm going to come to the front side of my site, and you will see here that my domain name is jbellinger.sites.c21.homes. That is not very easy to remember or say, so we're going to make a vanity domain, whatever I want to make it, and we are going to add it to our site. So I happen to have an old domain that I have not used in a long time, so I'm going to go ahead and connect that one so you can see how this works. Obviously this would be whatever you want it to be. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and it's going to pop up with some directions. This is what we call a DNS record, and hopefully you bought your domain from GoDaddy. That's the way I'm going to show you how to do it today. And if you haven't bought your domain but you want to, when you go buy it from GoDaddy, do not buy anything extra. Don't buy any protection, don't buy any SSL or anything like that, because it is included with your Moxi site. All you need is the domain name, so save your money because that is all you will need. So here you can see it tells me what I need to change my records to. So I am already logged into GoDaddy over here. I'm going to go to domains. And you can see here, here's my domain, 313creatives.com, and forward domain, which is what a lot of people I've come across out in the field are using right now. That is not the right way to do this. We're going to go ahead to manage DNS. And as it loads, it will come up with some DNS records. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come back over here. This is our Moxi site, the back door. So you can see we need to change the A record and the CNAME record to match these. Okay, so A record for DNS, name is the @ symbol, and then I'm going to copy the value, and I'm going to come over here, A name, @ symbol, let's copy that value, and I'm going to copy it and hit save. All right, that did that for me, and then the next one down is the CNAME record, www. And I'm going to copy that value, CNAME, www, and I'm going to copy this record right there, save, and now it's done. That is all I need to do. So I'm going to come back over here, come down to the bottom, and select Verify Domain. All right, so the verification is in progress, and it might take a while. Sometimes this is very quick, sometimes it might take a day or two, so you might have to just check back. One thing I like to do is I like to come up here, and I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to just type in my domain and see what happens. Okay, so there you can see that it's going to my web page. However, the address of my web page is still the normal address. Okay, so I fast forwarded a little bit for you to get to this verified. It took about an hour this time, but you can see here that it says verification status. It is verified. And then since I did not set this to my primary domain when I first put it in, I have to go ahead and hit set as primary, and then it loads and takes me to the home screen. After I'm in the home screen, I'm going to come back to the apply an SSL cert just to make sure that we're still good, and we are. So I'm going to go to a new tab, type in my website name, and you can see that it takes me to my Moxi website. And that is how you add a vanity domain to your Moxi website.